My name is Louise. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a DIY slime kit. By the way, this is homemade. And yeah, here is it. See, look guys, look, I have the pottery. Putty. That's pottery. Putty. So let's open it. So I got my scissors now. Got it. Oh. So this have a free slime. I'm not see it has free. Well, if this have a free slime, I'm not gonna use my super hard slime anymore. So. Oh, I only got one. I wonder what is this? What do you think it is? Oh, so we got one pieces activator and it's rare. I think this have a sense because it's rare. So by the way, here is it. It's all wrapped with paper. So let's open the bottom. I have an idea. Daddy's gonna send some mine. Oh, I think I know this. It's an activator.
Sino? Lakad lang talaga sila. Hindi sila ka lang. Sila ka lang sabi ko itong adapt.
Yes, it is the activator.
Bukas na lang mo muna.
It's so, let's smell it. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, this smells good. It smells like it smells like something. So it smells like rose and it's so good, like flower scent. So there's no slime, so I'm gonna use my hardened slime. Let's go. So yeah, I really like this activator. It smells like rose. So yeah. Oh my gosh. By the way, I haven't reviewed this yet. The mustard slime. I mean mayonnaise slime. Mayonnaise slime, okay? So it's like hard. So let's fix it down here. So it's hard. Like hard slime, and it's a mustard slime. Just a little because I don't want it to finish up. Let's make this slime soft again. By the way, I like my slime has a scent now because the activator has a scent. So the activator is 2-in-1. It has a scent and it's an activator too. Let's smell it.